Myself, Dr. V. Shashwini, Head of the Department Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity plays a crucial role in today's digital world. In today's digitally connected world, cybersecurity has not been a necessity, it has become a responsibility. Our department is dedicated in nurturing skilled professionals who can protect digital assets, ensure data privacy, and combat evolving cyber threats. At our department, we strive to maintain a balance between academic excellence, practical exposure, and research innovation. Our curriculum is carefully designed to align with industry needs, covering areas such as ethical hacking, digital forensics, network security, cryptography, and cloud security. One of the major strengths of our department is our placement record. Our students have been successfully placed in reputed MNCs such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, and Capgemini. Many of our students have secured competitive salary packages reflecting the quality of our education and training they receive. Our department focuses on building skilled cybersecurity professionals. We emphasize both theoretical knowledge and industry connect, and students are able to tackle real-time cyber threats. Coming to the internships, we encourage students to take up summer internships during their courses. Students gain real-time experience in cybersecurity domains so they can improve their technical skills and confidence. We also focus on research and publications. Our faculty and students actively publish research papers, work in different emerging areas like AI, cloud security, and blockchain. We have a big number of publications and patents gradually increasing every year. Coming to the laboratories, we have well-equipped laboratories which belong to digital forensics, cybersecurity, and network security. Coming to our faculty strength, our faculty members are experienced and well qualified. Many have industry certifications and research contributions. They continuously update their skills to match the industry trends. Coming to various events and activities, we regularly conduct workshops, guest lectures, and seminars. Industry experts are invited for those guest lectures. Students actively participate in national level challenges like TCS Hackways, and they have got placed through this challenge also. We are industry collaborated with various industries for internships and training. These collaborations improve employability. So far, we have collaborated with various industries in this academic year and previously also. Our department is committed to excellence in education and research. Thank you.